How to recover or restore WhatsApp chats. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option of chats. Now scroll down again and here you can see the option of chat backup. So just tap on it and here make sure that you have backed up your account or your whole WhatsApp application to a particular Google account. So until and unless you back up the data of your account to a particular Gmail or any account over here, you'll not be able to restore or recover the chats as well. So make sure that you have backed up over here and then you'll be able to recover or restore your WhatsApp chats. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.